In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest project, share exciting news, or invite others to explore your digital space, knowing how to share your website effectively is essential. So let's dive right into it. First, we want to head over to your Squarespace home. This is where all the magic begins. To do this, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Squarespace homepage, which serves as your dashboard. This is where you have access to all the tools and settings you might need to manage your website. Now, on your Squarespace home, look for the Website option. It might be located in your main menu or your dashboard, depending on your version. Click on this Website option. This will bring up a view of your live website as others would see it. Once your website is open in your browser, you'll need to pay attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. This URL is the direct link to your live Squarespace site. It's like the digital address of your online home. What you need to do next is to copy this URL. You can do this by highlighting the link in your browser's address bar, right-clicking and selecting Copy. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now that you have the URL copied, it's time to share it. This URL is what you'll provide to people you want to visit your site. You can paste this link into an email, a social media post, or even a text message to all those who you want to invite to see your work. To paste it, simply place your cursor where you'd like the link to appear, right-click, and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. Remember, sharing your website's URL is the simplest way to let others see what you've been working on. It's a reflection of you and your brand, so don't hesitate to share it confidently. Whether it's a portfolio, a personal blog, or a professional website, sharing it is just a matter of copying that URL and sending it to the right people. And there you have it. Sharing your Squarespace website is as easy as navigating to your website, copying a link, and pasting it wherever you need. It's straightforward, efficient, and anyone can do it with just a few clicks. So go ahead and start sharing your amazing website with the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy sharing!